Hi guys, Marcus from Spot X here. Today we're going to take a short road trip just to collect some telemetry and video to test the new overlay feature in QGroundControl. Now this feature was part of some of the previous daily builds, but I could never really get it to work properly. But now with the recent release of QGroundControl 4, this feature works really well. So today we're going to collect some data and some video, and I'll show you how it all works. How you can view the videos with the data overlaid, and then importantly for a lot of people, how you actually encode that overlay onto the video, which makes it easy to send out to clients, etc. Before you start, you're going to have to upgrade to all the latest software. So you're going to need the latest version of ArduSub, the companion software, and also QGroundControl. But when you've got all those up to date, then you can go ahead and start collecting data. Alright guys, so we're back in the car now. We're about to head off. We've got our makeshift ROV set up here. We've got a battery, we've got the Pi, we've got a Pixhawk, and we've got a power controller. We've also got a USB GPS just connected to the PC. That's just going to be up on the dash, and we've got a camera mounted on the outside of the vehicle just to collect some video. So let's go ahead and start it up.
EK2 changed EK2 underscore GPS underscore type to 1. EKF2 IMU0 forced reset. EKF2 IMU1 forced reset.
And there we go. It's going to be a bit difficult to see on this screen, but you can see that we've got data there, we've got position, and we've got our video. So we're okay now to set off and start collecting some data. Okay, so we're back in the office now. We can go ahead and take a look at the videos and telemetry files we've created. If you open up Documents, QGroundControl Video, you should have a list of all your recent videos and also these ASS subtitle files. Now these are just a text file. You can go ahead and open them in Notepad. But what they do is that has all of the telemetry data, and the positions and font data and all that sort of thing that's going to give the video its overlay. Now if we just want to play back the video itself will play back in any video player, but you won't get the subtitle telemetry data, and that's because we need to use a program that's going to play the video file and also pull in the ASS file. So if we go ahead and open this file now with VLC, which does pull the subtitle file, you can see now that the video is playing and we're also getting the telemetry data overlaid. Now that's all well and good to use internally, but it's not ideal if you want to publish the video or if you want to send it to clients. So what we need to do is hard code the telemetry data onto the video file. And again, we can do that with VLC. So let's go through and open it up. First thing you want to do is open multiple files. Click on Add. Now we're just going to choose 3 of the shorter files here. Click Open. Now we want to use a subtitle file. Now this part here is not that intuitive, and there might be a better way to do this, but I haven't found it yet. But the only way I've been able to get this to work is to click on Browse, click one of the subtitle files that matches up with the video, click Open, then click on the next video, click Browse, click on the relevant ASS file, Open, again click on here, on the video, browse, and add the ASS file. Now you can see here that there's really no indication that all 3 subtitle files have been added. So like I said, it's not that intuitive. I've tried different ways, like for example, like trying to add multiples like this, but that doesn't work. But doing it this way does seem to work, and you can do multiple videos. So once you've got all that loaded up, click down here, play, convert, and it's going to take you to the convert screen. And one thing you need to check is in this profile that subtitles is turned on. On my version this was turned off, so subtitles weren't being written to the video. So make sure subtitles is on, Kodak DVB subtitle, overlay subtitles on the video, and then choose the MP4 container, click save, and then I click this just so that we keep the original video. So let's go ahead and click start, and it's going to start encoding. So it's not quite real time, it's a bit faster than real time, but it is going to take a few minutes. So let's speed up this section. Okay, so now our files are converted. We can close VLC and go back into our QGroundControl video folder, and you can see that our new converted MP4s are in the folder. So now that the telemetry data has been hard-coded to the MP4, we should just be able to click on it and open it up and run it in any video player. You can see back there it does drop frames occasionally. I'm not too sure what that is about. It doesn't look like there's any problems in the subtitle file, but it does drop frames, whether it's in this converted version or in the raw form. It does drop frames, but for the most part it works really well. We can check to make sure we've got the right subtitle file by checking the time. So it's saying 8:58. Our file started at 8:57, so that seems about right. So we can go through and check our files. You can see that we've got all our data there. So that's it, guys. It's a really neat solution to getting telemetry and data overlaid on your videos. Give it a try and let me know how you go. Thanks a lot for watching.